Hello, I'm A U Kumara. My full name is A U Kumara. I am from Sri Lanka. I'm living in Kolkata district in Western Province. I'm married. I'm 42 years old. My wife is a teacher. She is working in a government school. We have two daughters. All of us, first of all, I would like to thanks for you for giving me this valuable opportunity to introduce about my professional qualification and my professional capacity. Firstly, I'll mention for you how about my professional qualification. I have followed the 3-year machinist course at Automobile Engineering Training Institute. That is my first vocational qualification from 1996 to 1998. That is 3-year full-time course. In this duration, I have followed different kind of production machine for my machinist as a machinist course, lathe, filling, shaping, grinding, including CNC. In addition, I have to mention for you, there was a on-the-job training at that duration for 1 year, from 97 to 98. That duration also I successfully completed. My first working experience, industrial experience, was that experience at Road Construction Development Company. They have a big machine shop for their maintenance. I trained at that machine shop 1 year. It is also I successfully completed. They award certificate for me for that training at that time. Secondly, I mentioned my second qualification is diploma course that is conducted by University of Vocational Technology, that is National Diploma in Technical Teachers Education. It is also I successfully completed at that time. University of Vocational Technology is the first university established in Sri Lanka for vocational education. That is the first university. In addition, I have followed CAT course, SolidWorks, SolidCAM, like that. CAT course was CAT Center, 3D and 2D. I successfully that course. That is a part-time 1-year course. I have sent these all certificates I have sent for you with my CV. You can check them with my CV. In additional, SolidWorks was followed at ASCAM. The other SolidWorks license training provider in Sri Lanka. I followed their course for 3 months, part-time. In additional, I have get some foreign training. My first foreign training was Malaysia. It is 3 weeks at German Malaysian Institute. My second training was Korea. It is Wachan Machine Manufacturing Company, organized by Shingan University and their professors with our government, Sri Lanka government. That is given by my government as a scholarship for me. It is a capacity building training program. When I was Korea, I trained CNC milling, CNC turning, CAD, CAM, and some for very few hours 3D printing, laser cutting, CMM, like that. That was the content of their training. Their major topic was CNC milling, turning, and CAD and CAM, SolidWorks and SolidCAM. That is, they are prepared according to our request. In additional to this training, I am working as an assessor for NVQ for NVQ qualification. Firstly, I'll explain about how our vocational qualification framework in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka vocational qualification framework, there are 7 steps. 1 to 4 is certificate, 5 to 7 is diploma, high diploma, and degree. This is the I am assess the exam and student in their assessment up to level 4. I have a valid license. I am a licensed assessor, working as a licensed assessor. TVC, National Vocational Education Commission, appointed me as an assessor according to their criteria. They have selected me after passing their exam and viva. Now I have conducted about over 50 assessments for students in different institutes, government, private, semi-government, like that. Now in additional, I have trained some private companies. If I mention about their names, Lostar, from Sri Lanka, still like that, but very few of us. These all companies are CNC related manufacturing company. I train on their machines, CNC, milling, turning, special milling, EDM, tool and cutter grinding, like that. Machine I have used when I was their training. In additional, I have get some training about capacity building training in some program through some programs organized by my working place. I have sent their certificate for you. You can check them. Now I'm going to talk about my professional experience. My first working experience was 1999 at Toto Court as a machinist. I joined the industry as a machinist. Just passed out my first 3-year machinist course in 1999. I worked there about 8 years, from 1999 to 2008. Firstly, I joined as a machinist, but when I resigned there, I work as a supervisor. At that duration, that 8 years when I was at Auto Court, I have worked on lathe milling, shaping, boring, especially grinding machines. I have worked. After that, 2008, I joined my present working place, that is the Vocational Training Authority of Sri Lanka. Now I am working there as an instructor. It is actually a good experience for me, my career life. Now I'll mention how about the how about the functioning and how about the capacity. Vocational Training Authority is the I think largest vocational training organization provider in Sri Lanka, because of under Vocational Training Authority there are over 200 training centers. I am working also one of them. My training center is Sri Lanka Korea National Vocational Training Institute. I am working here from 2008. This is the biggest and newly technology established institute under Vocational Training Authority. And if I talk about how about the structure of this institute, Korean technique, we are conducting 9 programs. All are engineering program, also all are level 5 program. Level 5 now I think you have idea about what is the level 5. I mentioned before this. How about the NVQ vocational framework? These are diploma courses. I am of the instructor in charge the CNC course. CNC course full name is Computer Numerical Control Technology. This is the one and first course in Sri Lanka direct related to the CNC. It is conducted by myself under my supervision. I'll mention how about my role and course structure. How about the course structure and my role here in this course. I am teaching 6 subjects for this student. There are 2 groups. First group is 15 students. Second one is 15. Both are 30 students there. First semester and second semester. It is including 2 semesters. First one is 6 months. Second one is also 6 months. First semester there are about 7 subjects. Second one also there are 8 subjects, including these all are including education subject and management subject. Who are the students successfully completed these 2 semesters? They can go to the instructor industry to training get their industrial training. After successfully completed that duration also, we award the certificate level 5 after conducting a viva. There is a structure, of course. Now I explain how about my role this program. I am teaching 6 subjects. 4 subjects for first semester, 2 subjects for second semester. In first semester, I teach engineering drawing, workshop technology, CNC milling, CNC turning. These all are individual subjects. They have individual hours for those subjects. As example, workshop technology, there are 100 hours. Engineering drawing, 100 hours. CNC milling, 125 hours. CNC turning, 125 hours, like that. These all subjects including theory and practical. These all are conducted by myself in my subjects. And second semester also same. In second semester there are 2 subjects to teach me. First one is computer design. It's including 150 hours. And other one is computer manufacturing. It is including also 150 hours. Both are including practical and theories. All are managed by myself. This is my role in this my working environment. I think now you can get an idea about my professional capacity, how about my vocational capacity. I think this is enough for you to take idea about myself. Now I'll stop my video. Again, thank you for giving me this valuable opportunity to introduce about myself and my capacity. Thank you very much.